Hello everyone, welcome back to our session. This is the most repeated question in the interviews. Let us understand with the every iteration. Okay, here we have a code. See, just don't simply by heart this code. Okay, just try to understand the working flow of it with the iterations. Okay, here we have a initial list 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 3 comma 2 comma 1. First, we created a empty list to store the count here in the form of dictionary like key and value. I is the current value here. Here, if I in freq, it means we'll check the numbers already exist in that or not. And plus 1 equal to 1. It will useful to increase the count. And else block, it will check the first occurrence add with the count of 1. Now let us see with the iteration 1. Here I equal to 1. What? I equal to 1. Check is I in frequency or not? Once check here, no, right? That's why we are adding it into the what? It into the dictionary. What it means frequency. Now 1 one time. Okay. Now iteration 2. I equal to 2. Check is 2 in frequency or not here. Once check here. Is 2 here? No, right? That's why we are adding it. Right? 2 1. Iteration 3. I equal to 1. Check is 1 in frequency or not? Yes, it is. It is right. One check here. 1 is exist in the current dictionary. So it is repeated. So we execute this condition. Freq of I. 1 1 equal to 1 plus 1 means 2. Here 1 becomes 2 times. Okay. 1 is repeated 2 times. Here the list is updated 1 2 times and 2 1 time. Now let us move to the next one. Iteration 4. I equal to 3. Check is 3 in I or not? Here this is the current dictionary. No, there is no 3, right? So we will add the 3. 3 one time. Iteration 5. Check I equal to 2 in the frequency or not? 2. 2 is already exist in the freq, right? So we will add it. So we will count it, right? Freq 2 equal to 1 plus 1. It means 2. Okay. Now 2 becomes 2 times. Okay. Now the list is updated. Iteration 6. I equal to 1. Does I in 1 in the frequency? Once check here. Yes, it is already in the frequency. So it is again we have to count it. Okay. Frequency of 1 equal to 2 plus 1. Why 2? Because here already it is 2. It is repeated 2 times. That's why we are adding 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So 1 is repeated 3 times and 2 is repeated 2 times and 3 is repeated 1 time. So this is the final output. Each number is stored as a key. See, remember one thing, dictionary is always each number is stored as a key and its frequency as a value. I hope you understand. If you want more videos, please support me and do subscribe. Thank you.